Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple ways to protect your health in the long term. Today's topic is something you rarely think about until problems begin. Your bones. They hold your body. They support every movement. They protect your internal organs. Yet most people ignore them. Have you ever felt weakness, joint discomfort, low strength? This may begin from your bones. Bone health is not only about age. It is about daily habits. Your bones are living structures. They constantly rebuild themselves. But for this process, they need the right nutrients. Let's begin with the most important one: calcium. This mineral is essential for bone strength. Without enough calcium, your bones become weaker. Milk is a common source. It provides calcium in an easily absorbed form. But milk is not the only option. Leafy greens also support bone health. Spinach, broccoli, similar vegetables contain important nutrients. They help your body maintain balance. Then comes vitamin D. Your body needs it to absorb calcium. Without vitamin D, calcium becomes less effective. Sunlight plays a key role here. Then nuts. Almonds provide minerals that support bone structure. They help maintain density. Another important option, eggs. They support overall nutrient balance. Your body uses these elements for strength. But here is the truth. Strong bones are not built in one day. They are built over years. Small habits repeated daily. Better food choices. Regular care. Then something begins to change. Your body feels stronger. Your movement becomes easier. Your structure becomes more stable. Because your bones support your entire life. Take care of them today, so they support you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support matters. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay strong, take care.